Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw what is language. Now we are going to see what are the functions of language. First of all, we know a language function, it refers to what students do with language as they may engage with content and interact with others. Functions, it represents the active use of the language for a specific purpose. Students, they use language functions in order to express their ideas, communicate with others, and they show understanding of content in an academic setting. The first slide, now we are going to see about the 5 main functions of language. They are informational function, aesthetic function, expressive function, pathetic function, and directive functions. Now we are going to see detailed functions of each and every language. First one, we are going to see the informational function. In oral languages, some common functions may include giving instructions, making requests, defending an argument. But in academic writing, we use a range of specific functions in order to communicate the ideas very clearly. The ideas may include describing the processes, comparing or contrasting the things or ideas. It may be classifying the objects or ideas. The informational function, it can be considered the most important since it helps us to deliver the messages, describe things, and give the listener new information. The informational function, it also relates to such terms as truth and value. It is used to convey the messages, that is to inform somebody of some information. Here, the declarative sentences are employed to realize the function. One of the main features is it has the truth or false value. For example, water boils at 90 degrees Celsius. It is a statement. So, this may be considered as the informative function of the language. Next. The next slide, we are going to see about the expressive function. Here, we can express our feelings, express our attitudes, feelings, which deliver the particular information. The function is not to deliver the message but to express our feelings or impressions. The expression function, it is used in literature and poetry in much use. For example, a phrase like "I love this movie so much," it gives the listener not any particular information about the movie or the particular subject of the sentence, but it expects our feelings about the movie. By far, the most important sociological use of the language and by which people they establish and maintain their status in the society. Polite expressions, humble words, expression of identity. For example, the ways in which people address others, dear sir, dear professor, Johnny, and it refers to maybe it refers to yours obediently. They indicate the various grades of the interpersonal relations. Next slide. The next slide, it defines the function which is very directive to the audience. The example is it may be a command or a request. Here, the affective and the situational meanings of the phrase are more important than a general meaning. Some directive sentences, they may express more than one function. For example, if we say I am hungry, it means that it is giving some information that the person is hungry, and it also states it for a request of food. It also expresses our feelings. So in this sentence we can find three functions: informative function, expressive function, and request for food. The next slide, it defines the aesthetic function. It does not have a particular purpose. Here the words and sentences, they may be considered as the linguistic articrafts. Examples are gorgeous, elegant, stunning, like that. It defines the objective of the adjective of the person. The concept, it originates from the physiological study of the language represented by Austin and Sarley, whose theory now it forms the backbone of the pragmatics. For example, I now declare the meeting open, like that. Next function is Fathetic function. It maintains a social relationship and to begin or continue the conversation. For the example for phatic function is, there is no need to talk, but when we see anybody in the street, we just ask how is the weather, or how their work are, or how their children are. It doesn't matter, but we have to just talk in our own interest. They simply desire to talk. Of course, this conversation, they does not contain interesting information, but it is not necessary. It may general thoughts of the people. The performative function, it can extend to the control of reality as on some magical or religious occasion. For example, in Chinese, when someone it breaks a bowl or a plate, the host or the people they present are likely to say ... as a means of controlling the invisible forces which the believers they feel might affect their lives adversely. It refers to the social interaction of the language. Meaningless to the topic, to maintain a comfortable relationship between the people without involving any factual content. How is your health, how is the weather, like that. Expressions that help us to define and maintain the interpersonal relationships, such as the slangs, jokes, jargons, ritualistic exchanges, switches to social and regional dialects. While the functions of the languages, they address what we do with the language, forms or the language structure and vocabulary which we are using to communicate, they support those functions. Next slide. Language learners, they need to occur both the functions, uses and the purpose.